Hi guys, Robin here with WTI.
So guys, if you are like me and you like a variety of different teas and you're always too indecisive as to what to buy, this set is the absolute best. So you have 8 different flavors and 6 different bags of each tea. So there's a few different ones. My personal favorites are Earl Grey and the English Breakfast, but I love the option of the decaf one as well in case I want to drink a tea at night. So there are a few different things to cover whatever you would like for your tea flavor. So they are all labeled according to their small package and also written on the back here. So by color and by definition, in case you take it out of the bag and forget which tea you did. On the back of each tea bag, it has the recommended amount of time to let your tea bag steep. Usually I prefer mine strong, so sometimes I just go ahead, leave the tea bag in there. Nothing hits quite like a warm cup of tea on a cold day. Just perfect.
And I think it's fantastic, but that's just my point of view.